Welcome, explorers. Join Tally, Tom, and Digit Dot on a one-of-a-kind math adventure through time. Digit Dot, the counting crystal. It's losing power. Oh no. Without it, the time machine can't travel. Explorers at home, will you help us count and collect Tally energy? Whoa! Giant trees, big footprints. We're in the Dinosaur Age. Let's count the baby dinos to collect our first tally sparks. Great counting. We earned 5 tally sparks. Look, dino eggs. Let's count them too. Wow, a real castle. Knights, flags, chickens. Explorers, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slash 4, 5. Let's make 2 groups of 5. Whoa, everything is shiny. Skip count together. We did it. Counting crystal is fully charged. And it's all thanks to you. Next math adventure. Time travel high five.